at my father's senior apartment, and he had a stroke. So it's been quite a summer. And I'm not a mother, so it's been a little stressful for me. I'm doing things I never thought I was capable of doing, and it's challenging and moving and funny and sad and poignant and frustrating and all the things. I took my dad some groceries. As I was walking out of his building, there were some residents and they were singing a song. Just sing a song. It was so sweet. It just moved me. It moved me so much to think of this human condition and how we learn as kids to sing, and some of us keep singing, and then here you are in one of the later chapters and you're singing with your friends and neighbors again. It just got me. I'm so grateful for music. I hope this inspires you to sing somewhere in your life.